For the last decade, you've been told the same story about learning to code. Watch hundreds of hours of video lectures, read dozens of technical books, painstakingly memorize the syntax of 10 different languages, and after all that, you're still not a developer, you're a student. You have a hard drive full of half-finished tutorial projects and a head full of fragmented knowledge. You know about a dozen technologies, but you haven't mastered any of them. When you look at a blank screen, you still feel that sense of dread, that uncertainty of where to even begin. Why? Because the entire model is broken. Passive learning creates students. Active creation is what creates developers. At Coding with Gemini Pro, we have a simple core philosophy that changes everything. We don't teach, we create. This isn't a course. It is a 12-week intensive workshop designed to transform you from a student into a professional independent software architect. Our entire program is built on 4 unwavering principles. Principle number 1, from zero to deployed, every time. Tutorials end when the lesson is over. Our projects end when they are live, for every one of the 3 major applications you build in this program. From the DeFi prediction market to your final DAO capstone, the process is not complete until you have deployed it to a live environment. You will start with a blank folder and finish with a functioning, publicly accessible web application. This is not an academic exercise, it is a complete, end-to-end development lifecycle. Principle number 2. You don't learn by watching, you learn by building. Our curriculum is not a list of topics, it is a series of 3 real-world portfolio-ready projects. First, you will build and deploy a DeFi prediction market, mastering the core principles of smart contract security and decentralized finance. Next, you will build and deploy Cutwise AI, a full-stack SaaS application that uses a Python AI backend to solve a real-world business problem. Finally, you will architect, build and deploy a decentralized autonomous organization from a set of professional specifications, proving you can deliver a complete project on your own. There are no abstract coding exercises. Every line of code you write is in service of creating a tangible, live product. Principle number 3. The future of coding is a partnership. Trying to memorize thousands of lines of boilerplate code in 2025 is, honestly, obsolete. A true developer doesn't need to be a walking encyclopedia. They need to be a brilliant architect. Our core methodology is architectural prompting. We are the first and only program in the world that formally teaches you how to use state-of-the-art AI, like Google's Gemini Pro, not as a crutch, but as a professional co-pilot. You will learn to engage in a sophisticated dialogue with the AI, designing the blueprint, reviewing the structure, and directing the implementation piece by piece. You retain 100% of the control and 100% of the understanding. Principle number 4. Real-world results require real-world workflows. A real developer doesn't just submit homework, they submit their work for review, defend their decisions, and collaborate with a team. That's why our capstone project isn't graded, it's professionally reviewed. You will submit your final project via a GitHub pull request, and our instructors will review it just as a senior developer would. You will receive actionable feedback and be expected to iterate on your work until it meets professional standards. And when you graduate, your proof isn't a PDF certificate, it's a cryptographically secure, on-chain NFT minted to your wallet, a permanent verifiable record that you didn't just complete a course. You created and deployed something real, so if you're tired of being a student, if you're done with tutorials that lead nowhere, and if you're ready to finally start creating, then we're ready for you. This isn't the easy way, it's the effective way. Welcome to Coding with Gemini Pro. Stop learning, start creating.